Hello everyone, let's download Eclipse. Eclipse is a IDE which is mainly used for Java development purpose. So if you want to download Eclipse IDE, then just go to your Chrome and type Eclipse download. Then you will see a Eclipse official website. There you click on downloads, then go down and click on download 62 bits. Then you will see a screen. So click on the download button. Then your Eclipse will start downloading. This will take some time to download. So let's meet after it completes the downloads. Hello guys. Now you can see my Eclipse is downloaded here. So once it is downloaded, double click on it, then you will see a screen like this. So here you select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here you can see which version of Java you want to download and where you want to install this Eclipse. So here I am by default, it is downloading Java 21. So I am not going to change anything. Just click on install. Then here are all the user agreements except now. Then it will start download installing. Once it is installed, so here you can see a launch button. Click on launch. When you launch your Eclipse IDE, it will ask you where you want to create your projects, the directory of the project. So whatever the directory you keep here, so all your projects will get saved in this directory. So I am keeping this as it is and let's launch it. Now my Eclipse is launched. Here you can see multiple options. Choose create a Java project. And here you give your my first project. Once you give your project name, then click on next. My first project .pin. So finish it. Here you can see your project. Once your project gets created, then right click on your project, go to new and create a class. So give your class name, and if you want to give a package name, you can give a package name. And my class name is demo. And by if you want to create your main class, then click on the main class, then finish it. Here you can see your demo class is created. Your class is generated. Then here is your main method. I will tell you how main method works and what is this main method in a separate video. So right now, just to check whether your class is created and it is working fine. So write SYSO and enter Control Shift. Then it will ask you print to standard out and click on enter. Then it will auto complete your entire sentence. Then write hi Java. Then run your class. Here you see your output hi Java. If you change it, Hi, my first project. Then click on run demo and always save resource. Okay. Then it will print to my first project. That's it. So in this video, you learned how to install the Eclipse and how to create your project and how to create a class. In upcoming videos, I will explain you what is the main method, what are the variables, what are the data types in the coding, and what are the methods, everything. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video.